The Ditch Witch SK1050 Mini Skid Steer. It's powerful, it's productive, and it's packing a punch on job sites everywhere. Equipped with a 37 horsepower Tier 4 Yanmar diesel engine, the SK1050 provides leading power to the attachment. It's just as strong as it is powerful, capable of lifting over 1,000 pounds. Plus, its 83-inch hinge pin height enables more flexible loading and unloading to help you stay productive. And nothing says productivity like dozens of compatible attachments, which receive over 3,600 psi of hydraulic pressure for maximum efficiency. The construction-grade SK1050 was engineered with the operator in mind, with its auxiliary control foot pedal, premium spring-supported platform integrated directly into the machine, and LCD display for better visibility into engine diagnostics. It also comes standard with ergonomic ground drive controls with optional dual or single-lever joystick for improved mobility and precision. From boosting your productivity and power to increasing operator comfort and ease of use, the SK1050 is yet another productive machine in our versatile lineup of mini skid steers. The Ditch Witch SK1050. We're in this together.